Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to add printers to the server and deploy the printers for all your groups that you manage. So in a company there'll be different floors for different departments, and for each department you obviously need printers. Now you might want to separate them. Today I'll show you how to deploy printers for different departments. So first of all, you want to go to Server Manager. You want to go to Add Roles and Features. Next. You want to select Print and Document Services. Next. Restart the destination server automatically if required. I'm gonna check that and just install. Cool, it's done. So I have two printers right now connected to my network. I have two different groups: sales department and IT department. So we deploy a printer for each department or each group. So next, you wanna go to Control Panel. Go to Control Panel. You should look for devices and printers, but then it's currently not showing. So you're gonna go to categories, maybe large icons, and look for devices. There we go, devices and printers. Click on that. Next, you're gonna go to add printer. See, I have two printers connected to my network. So first we'll start with the Epson one. Next. Oh, it's done. Do not check set as default printer. Just leave that open. Next, you're gonna add the other one. We'll add this. Cool. Both printers are done. You can close Control Panel now. Next, you wanna go to Tools in your Server Manager. Then go to Printer Management. Once you're in Printer Management, you're gonna go to Printer Servers, Tempo, Local, Printers. Here's all the printers listed. Now, what you want to do is right click on the printer you want. You're gonna go to Properties, Sharing, share this printer. We'll name it IT Department. It's nice, right? IT Department Printer. So we'll name it as. Apply. Okay. Next, we'll do the same for this one. This one will be Sales Department Printer. Apply. Okay. Now we're done with printer management. What we want to do now is create a group policy for the different departments on what printer they can access. So we'll go to group policy, the IT one. We'll right click, create a GPO for, can't read, man. I'm going to select create a GPO in this domain. We'll name it printer. Okay. It already exists. Oh, clearly not. Okay. Printer one, I guess. We'll right click this, edit, user configuration. I'm gonna go to policies, Windows settings, then look for there we go. Deploy printers, right click, deploy printer. Now you want the relative path of the printer. But this looks like an old way. Let me show you guys a new way how to do it. So you still want to go to user configuration, preferences, control panel settings, then now look for printers. I can right click, new, shared printer. On the printer, you want your action to be create, but now we need the share path. Now we need to find the printer's network path. That will be need to remember where that would be. Printer management, properties, sharing. The path is supposed to be somewhere here. What's advanced? Oh, connection security. General. This is the local path though. I want the sharing path. Or this is a share name. We can do it manually. Or see this. There we go. Printer name. There we go. That's the path. We can either do it here, but let me just show you the traditional way. So copy and paste the printer name or the path, which you can get by right clicking on your printer and going to deploy with group policy and just copying the printer name. Cool. We'll add the path here and we'll skip set this printer as the default printer. We'll skip local ports and we'll just press apply. Okay, so my IT department has the Epson. What you just want to do is press the printer you just created, properties, go to common, you want item level targeting on. Then by targeting, you want to add a new item, security group. The user member is a member of a security group. Then in security group, you want to type in the group you want to target. Let me just remove this and type it here. IT, check names, IT department. Great. You want to make sure it's user in group and not computer in group. Okay. Apply. Okay. You can close this. You can go back to our group policy management. Then our printer one group policy. You wanna enforce. Okay. And right click. Right click. No right click. Just double tap it in this little column here. Then if IT department is not here, you can add, then type it in here. Great, so our IT printer is done. Let's set up our sales one real quick. Same method. So here we just name it printer. Okay, seems you can't have redundant names even if it's in different OUs. So right click, edit, user configuration, preferences, control panel settings, printers. Right click, new, shared printer. You're gonna get the path of the printer again. So it's tools, print management. This time we're doing the HP printer. Deploy with group policy. Copy the printer name. Go back to the group policy management. And then now you can just paste the name or the path. Don't set as default. Update. Action you want create. Back to common, item level targeting, and targeting, new item, security group, I'm gonna place these three dots. I'm gonna type in your group or OU or user. In my case, it's a group. User in group. Okay, apply. Okay, perfect. Now you're gonna go back. It's your group policy management. There we go. You wanna enforce it. You're gonna make sure authenticate. You wanna make sure security filtering has the group you want. So I'll say sales, check name. Okay. So let's just double check. Preferences. Cool. So we're done with that. And let's just test on the client PCs. So as I mentioned earlier, I have two groups now, sales and IT. I logged into, okay, I haven't logged in yet, but I have two virtual machines for both of them. This would be the sales department one. So we'll just log in, lab, her name is Sarah, or her username Sarah, password Sarah1. Yep. Sarah1. We'll log in. Now she's in the sales group, so she should only see the sorry, I can't think. I'm so tired. She should only see the HP, if I'm not mistaken. The HP printer, not the Epson one. Incorrect password. Oh, I said Lebanon. Sarah 1. Here we go. Let's just make sure that the group policy applied. So we'll say group policy update // force. Once again, GP means group policy update, or GP update means group policy update. We'll just give that a second. Cool. Now that that's updated, we can go to device manager. Okay. Printers. You can see we have the HP printer only, not the Epson, because we set the HP to be for the sales department. So this is the only printer they see. You can go to control panel as well just to see it properly. Categories large, printers, devices and printers. There we go. You can only see the HP printer, no Epson. Now let's log into our IT PC. Lab / Abdul1. Let's just apply the group policy again. GP update / force. Oh, I have to restart this one. It's fine. It happens sometimes. Cool. Let's go to control panel first. large icons, devices and printers. Epson. There's no HP one, it's just Epson. That's good. Let's go to device manager. I can't. Oh, I can. Printers. Here we go. That's our Epson print. Perfect. So that's how you set printers or deploy printers for different groups or departments or organizational units. Yep, quite easy, quite simple, quite fast. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was easy to understand. Bye.